How you doing, my YouTube friends? It's Anubis, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Photon shockwave. So let's get started. We have two boxes. I'm going to open up one now, and my partner who's filming is going to open up the other box. So we're going to take turns, no homo.
Yeah. So this is box number one, y'all.
Guess I'm cutting too late. I don't want to damage anything. Like, don't take 10 minutes, just open the damn box. You have no idea how sharp this knife is. So.
Yeah. It's a beautiful.
Too hard, no homo. I could damage something really good. Alright, don't that look pretty?
Alright, this is pack number one.
I'm going to try to make this quick. I'm not going to explain all the cards. I'm just going to look for all the good shit.
A baby trigon.
To me, I don't see nothing good for me.
Yeah.
Usually when I watch other unboxing videos on YouTube, it's usually always at the bottom all the good shit is, but
yeah.
Hopefully I'll get lucky. I know she ain't worth nothing, but I think that's the best so far.
Yeah, it's a good pull. Number 38, Galaxy Queen.
Woo!
Our first pull.
Worth it.
Rapid.
Worth it.
Like this video. Like this video.
Worth it.
Look at this sexy ass rabbit right here, boy.
Didn't even have to get to the bottom no. No, keep her right there.
Yeah, keep that right here. Putting it next to the rares. What's wrong?
So far, I made my money back on the box.
Yeah.
So everything else I pull right now will be plus.
Plussing.
No, there's a hollow. I don't know the value of it though. I have to look it up later.
Yeah, by the way, guys, this is not for trade. It's actually going to be used.
First edition? Hell yeah, staying with the family till she's banned.
Yeah.
There's another hollow.
A Photon veil.
And I got this box from Icky Ickies. People said, don't buy boxes from them.
Yeah. What's wrong with people?
As long as the box is sealed, it shouldn't matter.
Yeah. Now I gotta admit, Photon Shockwave is the best box out so far.
Yeah, it's definitely the best box to get right now.
Yeah. Ooh, I
I'm
see.
hoping to get some of those other Exceed monsters.
Yeah.
That's what else I'm looking for right now. I want to build the rabbit deck.
Another hollow.
Yeah, we're in McDonald's, so excuse the music. My ears just randomly tuned into what's actually playing right now. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. I'm sorry about that little pause. I got a phone call in the middle of this little photo shoot we're doing for the packs. But to recap, we have still pretty much a bunch of packs to go through. I'm going to pull these out actually. Yeah, almost halfway done. And already the pulls are good. So yeah, if you're watching this video because you're deciding if you buy this box or not, so far it's looking like a yeah. Whoa, I don't know what that is, but it's OT and it looks sexy.
wind-up kitten.
Let's get to the next pack.
Could probably use this. This thing, it works as a grand mole. It's kind of cool.
Got another XC here.
Number 10. Another rare. I think it's valued up.
That's what I'm gonna look up these prices when I finish opening everything. eBay these prices.
Just for the wind up. They don't really run that, but it's valued high. Giga Brilliant. You see, I was telling you about that card. Powers up all your monsters by 300 forever. And it's light too. A light insect.
Whew, 3 packs left. Did I pull 2 secret rares? Because I thought I was told 2 secret rares come with each box. I know Rabbit is one.
I think you gotta have to read the box. See the ratio.
Yeah.
A wind-up hunter.
Huh?
That is valued
Yeah, sure,
high.
it's no problem.
That's a nice trade right there.
It'll be on my YouTube channel, Yu-Gi-Oh! Warriors.
That is valued up. Yeah.
Was that Wind Up Hunter?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. People ask me about that too. If I pull it,
You gotta check
that
Full
card.
rescue rabbit?
Yeah.
Nice. What is that?
Just a bunch of rares. Yeah, the only thing I seen here.
Why don't you make the wine up, Tom?
And
You
that's
said
it for this
box number 1.
So to recap, these are the hollows we pulled. Let's put the rest aside for now. You got everything? Or?
Yeah, I got it.
So far, I made plus. I went plus on that box. And he's the rares. I really don't care about those.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all want to see any of them. My partner here probably going to take all of those because I gives a 2 shits about those.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the first video of the unboxing, as you can see. Stay tuned. My partner's going to open up the second box.
Alright, we're out.